Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to transfer money from Lloyds Bank to PayPal in 2025. With the latest updates in banking tech, this process is faster and more secure than ever. Whether you're funding your online shopping spree or sending cash to a friend, I'll guide you through it step by step. First off, why do this? It's a quick way to move funds without hassle, but remember, always double-check for any fees or processing times in 2025. To get started, make sure you have a verified Lloyds Bank account and a PayPal account. You'll need your login details and possibly your PayPal email or linked bank info. Step 1. Open the Lloyds Bank app or website and log in securely with your username and password. If you're on the app, use biometric login for extra speed. Once logged in, head to the Payments or Transfers section. It's usually front and center on the dashboard. Step 2. Select Make a Transfer and choose Add a new payee. Here, you'll enter PayPal's details. In 2025, Lloyds might have direct integration, so look for the PayPal option if available. If not, use the bank account number linked to your PayPal. Double-check this on your PayPal settings to avoid errors. Step 3. Input the amount you want to transfer, add a reference note for your records, and review everything carefully. Security is key, so enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Step 4. Confirm the transfer. You'll get a confirmation code via email or text. Enter it to finalize. The money should hit your PayPal within 1 to 3 business days, depending on the banks. Pro tip. Keep an eye on exchange rates if dealing with different currencies, as 2025 might bring new fee structures. Finally, once it's done, log back into PayPal to verify the funds. That's it, you're all set. If you run into any issues, contact Lloyds or PayPal support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below. See you next time.